Hi friends, in last video we had saw how to join right angle triangle and reverse of right angle triangle. Let me show you the output of last video. Oh, I think some other class got executed. Let me execute this main class. Yeah. So this is the way we are joining right angle triangle and reverse of right angle triangle. So now today, as I informed in last video, how to pass the inputs through console. So it's very simple using this scanner class. Scnner scanner sc equal to new scanner system dot in. So what scanner will do? So what are the methods present inside this scanner? Let's check it out first. So based on the position matches, patterns, and there are many other things. Based on this scanner will help us to read the data from console, or else after compiling, during compilation we can pass the input. After compiling, during runtime we can pass the input to the particular program. So what is system? System, as you can see, it's in class, consists of several useful class fields. So in refers to input stream, so it accepts the input. So how can we pass the integer number? So int number of rows equal to sc dot next int. As we are passing the integer type, so we are passing here next int. So here I want to pass, based on my requirement, I want to pass the number of rows. Okay, so for identifying that whether my program reached to the particular to the input line or not, whether like it's ready to accept the input from console or not, to identify that, I'm just putting one log system.out.println. Please enter number of rows. Fine, let's execute. See, it reached the number of rows. Now I am entering the number 10 and clicking enter. As we can see, the output is the same, but here we are just customizing based on during runtime. We can enter how many lines we want to print. So let's execute one more time. Yeah, I'm passing the input as 20. Okay, it looks good, right? Yeah. See you in next video. So in our next video we will just discuss like how to flip the right angle triangle. Thank you.